I opened all my presents because it's Christmas. And do you see the stockings that I'll give them? It's over there.
What is your present you got? Show
Shirt.
Sit right here.
Shirt.
Lift it up.
Shirt. Pants. Shirt. Pants. Right here. I got it from Santa.
Cool. What is that over there?
Oh, my new shoes. I opened it. Now I'm gonna get I'm gonna see my brother's presents. Right here. Jackson's. Mine. No. Oh, look it.
Cool.
I got a sweater again.
Cute. You like it?
Yeah.
What about that over there? What's that?
Oh, my bike.
Show
Jackson.
mommy your bike.
Stand over here. Let me see. You mean your scooter?
Yeah, my scooter.
Cool. Come,
Jackson,
Jax.
come. Open your present. First, open it.
Wait, leave it over there. Let him come over here.
Jackson, come. Look it.
Hello.
Present. Come. Mommy's over here. He
Morning.
said, ew.
Morning,
Jackson,
Bubbles.
open your present.
It's right here.
He got to me. Come. Open your present. Want me to open it for him? Because he don't know to open.
Take him over there.
Come on,
Go on,
Jackson.
Jax. Go open some presents with Adrina.
Come on.
Go. Go rip it. Look.
Come on. A basketball for you. Look. That you always play at Sina's house.
Cool. Go get another one. Jackson, over there. Over there.
Come on, Jackson.
Go, look. Go, Adrina. Bring it over here, Adrina. And rip it open with him.
Pants.
Sit down.
Your pants. Oh, cute. Your pants. Cool. Pants. Pants.
Morning. Morning.
These are clothes. These are not.
Open. Wait. I think that one's yours. Read it.
It says JX1.
Oh, okay.
I'm opening it. He got flip-flops like me. Look. This is mine, Mommy. We're twins. Look.
Cool.
I got flip-flops. But look. Mommy. I got both shoes.
Jackson, go get a present. Open it. Hurry.
Mommy, look. These two are for
Sit by
Sina.
Jackson. I want to see.
These two are for Sina.
No, they're yours.
No, because it don't fit me. Look. Look. See?
It's okay. You can grow into it.
Oh, yay. I'm gonna save this. But look at this one. Too fat. Too big.
Cute.
I love this movie.
No, Jax, hey.
I'm gonna save this when I grow big too.
Adrina, go get another one for Jackson.
Okay. That's my Jackson. No.
Open the big red one.
No.
The big red one right here.
No. Oh, yeah.
Look, Jax, look.
Jackson.
Adrina.
The red one.
Mm-hmm.
And we were doing the Jackson's, Mama's thing. Mama's,
Cool blocks, Jackson.
He can play with it right now.
Wait, open all his presents first.
Okay. How about this one?
Look, Jackson, look.
Big giant box. The Auntie Mommy made for him. It's a bike. It's mine. It's gonna need a bike. It's upside down. We're gonna give them.
Look, Jackson.
Huh?
Cool. Your bike.
Look how much it is.
Go, Jax. Look. Go look at it.
Huh? Okay.
Go look at it. Oh, heck no. You just farted.
Oh, what the oven is right here.
He's like farting.
Mom. Hi. Your present. Mama. Your present, Jackson. Huh? Your present. He's saying this is brothers. J-A-X-O-M. We're gonna do this one first. No, we're gonna do this one first. What? No. He got new shirts.
Open it. I want to see it. Hold it up. Oh, that's a sweat right there.
I know sweats and shirt.
Cool.
Put the shirts and pants goes right here. Sweats and the other shirts. We're gonna open this one.
Open it. Help. Go, Gina. She's gonna help you.
Oh. I hope everyone, Jackson. Oh. It's girls. No.
Cool.
It looks like girls.
That's yours. Are those all Jackson?
Those are all Jackson.
Oh.
Yeah.
It matches your purple one too.
Yeah.
And your purple. You have a purple straight one.
Huh?
You remember your purple straight shirt?
No.
You have a
My
purple
old
shirt that's like, the arms are like this high. You
Yeah,
remember?
That's a blue. It's blue and gray.
Ah.
One more. Open the other one. Adrina.
Right. Where?
Right there. The green one by your feet.
Whoa. The shirt, the sweats, and the shirts. Again. Look.
Cute.
Cool.
Shirt. Hey. Sweats.
What? Okay, open the other ones over there. Yeah, that's Trina's. Go, Trina.
Come on, Jackson. I know what it is. Shirts. Oh.
Cool. It's a sweater.
It's a sweater for him. Open this.
Yay.
Oh. No. J-A-X-O-M.
Look, Jack's over there. Trina. What is that?
Oh, it's a soccer.
Cool.
I don't know what it is.
Yeah, it looks like a soccer ball. Cool. Yeah, let it.
Shirt again. What? It's soft and square. Mommy, looks like mine. It's not. Oh, remember the other ones? Oh no. Cool, Jackson has.
Open it.
I did.
Like, open it. Like, hold it from the top. Like this. So we can see it.
Okay. Mom. Yes. Mommy.
Cute.
Mommy.
What?
Yes.
Oh, take it to Daddy, Jax. He has to open this.
I know. No, Jaxon.
No, it's this.
Oh, I know.
Told you to take it to Daddy. Bless you.
That's you. Wait, I'm not. What?
Take it to Daddy. Jax, take it to Daddy. Hey, babe. Pull off that white thing. Show it to me over here.
Oh, 3 shirts. Huh? 1 sweats.
Look. Yay.
7. Look.
Well,
Huh?
Jaxon.
Go play with it.
Yay!
Mommy.
Cute.
It fits like me.
He was all excited. Yay!
Oh,
Cool.
Jaxon has little boots. Mommy. What? Oh, it's cute. Like mine other one's in the box. No, right there. It's like mine.
Cute.
Oh, cute. This is mine and his.
Cute. Is there any more under the tree for Jax?
No,
That's it?
only grandma's.
Cool.
That's it. Grandma's would be bad at us. Oh, I'll put it on.
She will.